Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Robinhood. So first thing, open your Robinhood app, then click on this bottom left icon. Now you should be able to see this page. Click on the search bar on the top and search for the ETF or stock you want to buy. I will choose Microsoft as an example here. Then click on the name of the ETF or stock. Now click on trade, then click on buy. You can select to buy by choosing the number of shares, or you can click on shares here on the top right corner and switch to dollars. Now select the amount you want to buy, then click on review. Now all you need to do is to swipe up to submit. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.